Ready, go!
Sun begins to rise above the mountain crest. We put our scarves on tight, put our hearts to test. Leaving the city noise for the forest floor. Pathfinders seeking something more. Hand in hand we walk the trail our fathers knew. Hand in hand we walk the trail our fathers knew. Following the light that makes the old world.
Kaya lagi pong makikinig sa aming mga
Pathfinders!
Yes, sir!
We are the Pathfinders, called to serve and lead, sowing the seeds of kindness, fulfilling every need. With the cross before us and the world behind. Okay, so ngayon yung Pathfinder hike. So dito tayo ngayon sa Tinipak Rock Formation. Yun. Welcome to Tinipak Rock Formation. Ayos. We're reaching for the heavens in the morning sky. Nauna na yung Pathfinders eh. Yung mga medyo may edad na, hingal na eh. Kaya mabagal.
Stars are our guide, with the spirit of the master dwelling deep inside.
Okay, ano yata sila dito nag-rest.
And keeping every
Nag-rest si Lely.
the great
Star. Kay Early. Ayan si Joms.
no mountain is too steep, no valley is too steep, no valley is too wide.
Okay, lakad na ulit.
Savior right here by our side.
Naghintay lang pala yung grupo sa amin.
We are the Pathfinders, called to serve and lead, sowing the seeds of kindness, fulfilling every need. With the cross before us and the world behind, the strength we never knew is what we're gonna find. Blue and gold are colors, a banner held so high. We're reaching for the heavens in the morning sky.
Ganito ko nga kiningning eh. Fate will go. Oo, yung dami, full pack yun eh. May buko pa. Ayoko, may buko ata yun pa sa mabigat.
Ayun ang kabayo.
Ang ganda ng rock formation.
Tapos tinatalian lang nila.
O, talian lang yung kabilaan. Ganda. Sun hits the mountains in the early light. Laces tied tight, everything's right. We're leaving the city, we're finding the trail with the promise in our hearts. Okay, so tumigil kami dito sa may mga cottages. Siguro pwede nang maligo. Hinihintay lang yung ibang naiwan. Hirap si Karen eh. Yan. Mainit talagang yung araw, pero ayos, ganda. Siguro maglalakad pa kami papunta ron. Baka lang to. Saw-saw lang, tapos lakad ulit. Wait natin yung ating mga master guides. Okay. Ayos. Ayun, so nag-call na yung ating master guide.
si Zari na ipon lang yung gamit sa isang lalagyan. Kasi ano, pwede nang maligo. Alright, swimming. This is it. Okay, so ibisa tayo. Ayan na tayo. Ipon na yung gamit. Ligo-ligo na, ayos.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, go!
Picture mo galit.
We are the pathfinders, loyal and true, doing our best in all that we do. In the footsteps of Master, we will lead the way, shining His light in the light of the day. Oh, the wind is our brother and the stars are our guide. With the love of the saints.
Solid.
Solid.
Inaabot tayo.
Ha?
Inaabot tayo.
Ikaw?
Kaya, masarap. Kalsano. Kalsano, Bulacan dyan.
From the crafts on the table to the badge on the sash, turning our dreams into more than a flash, learning the secrets of the birds in the tree.
Okay lang. Puputi ulit ako.
It's more than a club, it's a way to be, living a life for the world to see. We are the pathfinders, loyal and true, doing our best in all that we do. In the footsteps of Master, we will lead.
Mga leaders nag-meeting.
Sorry.
Love of the Savior always inside. Lord, help us be clean. Lord, help us be kind.
Saan tayo, sir?
Doon sa kabila. Malalim doon. Ano, lagpasulo.
Pag nakaiga.
Nakadapa. Maraming bato din doon, kaso maliliit lang.
Leave all the bitterness and envy behind. A servant's heart and a helder through every land. I will go. I will go. I will go. I will go.
So ano na, pabalik na kami dun sa may parking kasi magla-lunch muna, tapos swimming ulit.
Naabot na po.
Opo bebe, inaabot yan.
Underneath the azure sky we stand, heart and hand together across the land. With the light of service in our eyes, watching as the morning sun begins to rise. We are the pathfinders, strong and true, with a mission in everything we do, guided by the word and the master hand, the bravest hearts of.
Okay guys, kasi ano, pagod na yung mga tigulang. Mga pathfinder doon, naglalakad na sila doon sa unahan. Kami nag-tricycle. Okay, let's go.
Every promise is a vow we keep, learning how to serve and how to grow, places where the shadows go.